Hello, okay, this video is about the hunger of English. I have to answer a question about my life. First, where do you live? I live in Loja all of my life. You like to live there? Yes, I like to live in Loja because it's a city very calm and also it's very quiet. I think it's a good to have a family because it's a small city and you can't meet a lot of people and the people is very friendly and lovely. What kinds of facility are able? It is a easy city to live. You can walk everywhere. Do your does your city have a sport facility, place to eat, cultural place? There are many places to play football, basketball, swimming, and place to eat. You can find Supermaxi, Topoli, Carbonero, etc. And cultural places as el Museo de las Madres Conceptas, el Museo de la Puerta de la Ciudad, el Teatro Alfredo Mora Reyes. How is the nightlife? The nightlife in Loja is very quiet because not much danger walking in the street, um, even so late at the night. Do you like your neighborhood? Yes, I like my neighborhood because I meet all my neighbors. It was very nice to meet them because it's a like to have a second family. Sometimes they help me about my problems I have. Also, in the weekend, we play football. Does it have a lot of parks and green paint? I think there are two or three parks. What would, what would you change about your neighborhood if you could? How do you think? Maybe improve these few parks because they are very destruction and not have a good conditions. Okay, and this is all. Thank you.